Welcome to this gorgeous home located at 5 Tawny Port in Dana Point, California. This home resides in the Silvertide community. My favorite thing about this property is the gorgeous ocean view. I'm literally standing on the main level and I see beautiful views of the Catalina Island, and also I see boats actually right there in the harbor. You can tell this home has been meticulously maintained. You have an upgraded kitchen, and I hope you're noticing the vaulted ceilings. Now this home is not going to last long, so let's go take the tour. Don't you just love this charming home? You're just minutes from the ocean. If you have interest in viewing this home, please contact me directly. My name is Audra Lambert at 949-697-2232. Thanks for taking the tour.